Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. So, I recorded this video that you're about to watch yesterday, and I contacted. You'll see in the video. It's an unboxing, and there were several things missing that I was expecting, so it really kind of threw me off in the video. But I contacted the company. The company's called North Mountain Supply, and within a couple of hours, I had they replied to the email and got all this stuff straightened out, and the replacements for it is supposed to ship today. I don't know if it did or not. I didn't get a tracking number from them, but we'll see how it goes. So bear with me in the video because I'm clearly confused at times by items that are missing. I had ordered the 38-piece kit deluxe ultimate kit or something like that on Amazon, and I actually only got the 30-piece kit, which is their new version of it. They haven't changed the Amazon listing, so there was a couple things missing, and there was a couple of things outright missing, and a couple of things that were quantity-wise were lower than what they were supposed to be. So anyway, bear with me in the video. And there will be videos coming explaining what this is and why I'm doing this eventually, but I wanted to go ahead and get this knocked out because I got some things in mind that I want to do with this kit. And I hope you enjoy. I hope you watch all the way to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all the usual stuff. Y'all stay tuned and enjoy the video. And welcome back to the channel. So, got something completely different here today. Gonna be doing an unboxing on some stuff that I got for a new project. Before I start taking the stuff out of the box, and you'll understand why I'm going to say this when I get there with what this is. Of course, if you already know what this company is, then you already know why I'm going to say this. So, the table was cleaned. Rubbing alcohol, and then a substance called Star Sand, which is a sanitizing solution, was used to clean it after that. So everything is that. My hands have been washed in Star Sand as well. And the reason for that is this is a home brewing kit, or a fermenting kit, actually. So I'm going to be unboxing, showing you everything that's in here. It's been 95 to 100 degrees lately, so when it came in yesterday, the very first thing I did was pop the top off of it and put the yeast that comes in this kit, the samples, put them into the fridge so that they would cool down. Also, a reminder, I live in Alabama, and it has been 95 to 100 degrees with the relative humidity in the same general area. So if you hear the air conditioner running behind me, I apologize. I hope I've got the filters on the mic where you don't hear it, or you don't hear it very much. But it is what it is. So let's go ahead and get started with it. So this is going to be our pack of perishables and additives and things like that. I won't go through those right quick, and then I'll show you the bulk stuff. Bubble wrap for keep everything safe. Warranty information card. This is a nylon straining bag. This is a bag that you put in for put inside the carboy or the fermenting bucket for your chunks of fruit. Makes it easier to get them in and out. This is yeast energizer or yeast nutrient. I'll put pictures of everything in there, so you can see it up close and personal on things. This is the sanitizer that comes with the kit. Um, I've never used this. I've never used the Star San, but that's what everybody else uses. I've actually never made wine or meads or anything like that. This is something completely new, but something I've always had an interest in. Um, so that's what this whole thing is. I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna document it here on YouTube. So our next thing is, uh, so this one's yeast energizer. This is the one you get started with. This is actual yeast nutrient. Um, this is acid blend. It's for adding acids, for adding acidicness to your brew. Um, this is pectic enzyme. This is for clarifying. It also helps break down when you're using solid fruits, whole fruits. It helps break down the cell walls, helps extract the flavors out of it. This is potassium sorbate. This is helps stabilize it when you get to the level that you want. If your yeast is still active, you can put that into it to stop further fermentation. We have wine tannins. That's the that tightness that you get at the back of your throat from like teas, coffees, red wines. It adds mouthfeel and I don't want to say texture because it's not exactly texture. You know, it doesn't give you chunks or anything, but it does give you a thickness to the flavor. Um, these are Camden tablets. These are for when you're using fresh fruit. You crush up one of these and put into it, and it kills off any bacterias that may be on the fruits from handling in the grocery store. You know, the associate takes them out, puts them on the rack. Somebody comes along, looks at it to see which one they want, that kind of thing. You know, all the handling and processing exposes it to the stuff that's on everybody's hands, and this kills all that stuff off. Um, this is the clip for the hose for when you're siphoning. Um, that's the clamp for the hose to cut it off when you're siphoning. This is the lid for the carboy, solid lid for it, and this is a bung. And then this is the yeast that it came with, which is Premier Classique by Redstone. It was supposed to be a variety pack of like all five of theirs, one of each of all five of theirs. So that's not right. Alright, so because this is a winemaking kit, it does come with quarts. Um, this is an auto siphon. This is how you move things from one vessel to another. Um, when I get through racking one, I will show you how it works. But basically, it's pump. Um, that it's a pump that removing stuff from one vessel to another. This is the bottling one that goes on the end of that for when you're filling up your bottles. Has a little valve down here on the bottom of it. So when that's like that, it doesn't flow. But when that gets pushed up, it releases it and it can flow into it. So you're filling your bottles from the bottom. This is the hydrometer. This is how you read your gravity on it, which is how you can estimate sugars and alcohol by volume. We have a 1 gallon glass jug. We have a 3 gallon fermenting bucket. If you're going to put your wines or whatever into bottles, these are the heat wraps for the necks to hold the corks in. Comes with a hose for the siphoning. That's actually got crap. So this is the graduated cylinder that you use to put the hydrometer into to check your alcohol. This is your glass wine thief. This is for you'll take this and put it in to get your sample. This is your recipe handbook, the lid for your bucket, and this here contraption is for corking if you're going to put things into wine bottles with corks. That was everything that was in the box. Wasn't everything that was supposed to be in the box. I'm missing some things. So that'll be part of this documentation. I'm going to contact North Mountain Supply and let them know what they didn't put in it. See if I get anything back from it. So that'll be a future video, as well as making some wines. I've got some interesting ideas, I think, and got a few more things that I have got that I'm going to set up and work with. I did already go ahead and buy some extra yeast, which is a really good thing considering I only got one sample. So this is one that I'll be working with. It is by Red Star and it is Premier Cove. Again, I'll put some pictures at the end of some of this stuff. So this is going to be an interesting trip, folks. We'll see how this turns out. And yeah, thank you for watching. And as always, y'all be good, y'all be safe, and y'all have a good one.